Morning, how are you? Let's going to start with our class today. So if you already get joined to the transmission, please write your name and the word I'm here and I'm going to take your assistance. Today we are going to start a new week and I feel so happy to have all of you here. I hope that you really stay fine. De verdad espero que se encuentren muy bien. I hope that you had a great weekend. Y espero que hayan tenido un buen fin de semana. So, let's going to start, please. If you already get joined, write your name and the word I'm here, and I'm going to take your assistance. Hi, guys. Good morning. Good morning, Daniel. And good morning, Rodrigo. Also, David is here. Hi, Kimberly. How are you? Okay, I'm going to take your assistance, and I have here too Daniel. Remember, if you didn't listen your name, please write again, right? Si no escuchan su nombre, por favor, vuelvan a escribirlo, right? Mientras los voy mencionando. Entonces, Daniel, Rodrigo. Also, I have here to David, Kimberly, Albino, Ceci. Hi, Ceci. Iris. Muy bien. Edri, Alejandra, Benja. Who else? Alejandra, we already take your assistance. Daniel too. And Alejandro, right? Okay, guys, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Let's going to start, and today I'm going to talk to you about some exercise. If you have your student book, today we are going to talk about directions, right? So, good morning, everyone. For me, it's a big pleasure to have all of you here. And let's going to move to our page 70 in our student book, right? Si tienen su libro, entonces nos vamos a mover hacia la página 70. You have it on your brochure, some directions, and also you are going to have, de igual forma, ustedes van a encontrar algunos hobbies dentro de, dentro de su folleto, right? So today let's going to start talking about the directions, right? So this we already worked, and this is called also like prepositions, right? A preposition is the word that indicates the place where something is ubicated. Con las preposiciones nosotros vamos a hablar o vamos a describir la posición en la que algo, ¿verdad?, se encuentra colocado. So that's why you have here some prepositions. Today let's going to start, and in the first one we have outside. That is a box, as you can see. Vamos a tomar esto como ejemplo. Yo no tengo una caja, pero tengo este portalapiceros, right? So this is the box or the pencil holder. Este es como el sostenedor de lapiceros. Entonces, this is the place where we are talking about. This pen is inside, right? Dentro de, in, right? And the pencil holder, right? This is one of the first one. But this is going outside, right? O está saliendo. Entonces, it can be out the box. Let's go into watch. Out the box. We are talking about this pencil holder, so this is going out the pencil holder, right? Or the pencil case. Este está fuera como de la porta lapiceros, right? So, the first one is out of the box or out of. Just in your brochure and in your vocabulary, just have the first two, right? Out of, fuera de, o afuera de, right? That is the same. So, do you have questions about that? The first one, Tengo aquí a Camila. Hi, Camila. And also to Christian. So we are talking about the pencil holder and the preposition. This is inside and out of. And out, right? So we are watching here two prepositions. In the flashcard you have it like a frog in a box, right? En sus flashcards ustedes las tienen como una rana y una caja, ¿verdad? It's the same. Esto no importa, estamos hablando de cualquier objeto y de cualquier lugar, ¿verdad? Entonces en este caso, out of is the first one. Let's go into listen it.
Out of the box.
Out of the box, right? Remember that it sounds all together. Out of the box. Let's go with the next one. Here you have down the stairs, right? Down the stairs. That means bajando las gradas. Also, you can say down the street, down that house, down that school, por ejemplo. Aquí significa bajando, right? O en este caso, down the stairs. Pueden decir también debajo de bajando esta calle, bajando hacia esta casa, bajando hacia esta escuela, right? So, you can use down para indicar ir hacia abajo, right? So the first one is down. How do you spell down? D-O-W-N, right? D-O-W-N. That means hacia abajo. So let's go into listen.
Down the steps.
Down the steps. The next one is inside, I think so. No. Over the box, sorry. Over means encima, right? Over means encima o por arriba de, right? You can say over the pencil case, over the pencil case, right? Over my head, encima de mi cabeza, over my hand, right? Por encima de mi mano también. How do you spell over? O-V-E-R, over, right? Welcome, Carly. How are you? So, you can say over cuando vamos encima de algo, right? O que está pasando por arriba de algo. So, over my head, over my shoulders, right? Over the pencil case, for example. You can use it here too. How do you pronounce it?
Over the box.
Over the box, it says. It's a good one. Let's go in with the next one. We have here around the box, right? Around the pencil case, around my head, right? That's the meaning of around. When you go alrededor de, right? For example, the moon make a circle around the earth, right? La luna gira alrededor de la tierra, por ejemplo, ¿verdad? Oh, now everything is around the car, for example. Todos corremos alrededor del carro. So, you can say like that. Entonces pueden decirlo como este, ¿ok? How do you pronounce it? Let's go into listen.
Around the box.
Around the box. Remember that when we have two vowels together, cuando tenemos el sonido de dos vocales juntas, únicamente va a sonar la primera, right? Around the box. So it's going to be easier. Let's go in with the next one. We have into, that is this one, into the box. What is the meaning of into? Do you remember that the first time I said out of, into means the opposite. So if out is fuera, into means dentro, right? So into the pencil case, right? Entonces, si out significa fuera, into va a significar dentro. Into the box is this one. You can say into the pencil case, into my heart, for example, dentro de mi corazón, into my mind, dentro de mi mente, into my house, dentro de mi casa, and also you can say into my notebooks, for example, dentro de mis cuadernos. That means that has to be dentro, or like we say metido, right? Guardado en medio de, for example. it can be. So how do you pronounce it? Into the box.
Into the box.
Into the box, right? So this is the first one. Let's go in with the next one. And we have here up the stairs, right? Aquí tenemos entonces ahora up the stairs. That means hacia arriba de las gradas en este caso, ¿verdad? Porque tenemos aquí el up the stairs, hacia arriba de las gradas. But also you can say up that street, up that house, up that avenue, up that everything, right? Ustedes pueden decir arriba de esa casa, arriba de esa calle, arriba de, I don't know, that avenue, de esa avenida, ¿verdad? Entonces, up means ir hacia arriba con respecto a las directions, right? I don't know if you can listen to me correctly. No sé si pueden escucharme. Do you have questions or something that you didn't understand? No sé, alguna pregunta, alguna duda, algo que no estén entendiendo con respecto a esto. Tell me, let me know, because we are talking now about directions, right? Also, you can say, my house is next to or into the Colonia Primavera, for example, my house, into the Colonia Primavera, dentro de la Colonia Primavera. It's around the corner, está volteando la esquina, right? Or I can say, you can down the pasarela to get to my house. Pueden irse debajo de la pasarela para llegar a mi casa, for example, right? Or you have to drive into two streets. Debes de conducir dentro de dos calles, right? Como para llegar a mi casa. So, no, no miss, no todo bien, no miss, no miss. Okay, excellent. I really like when you understand because you are so smart and so intelligent. Let's go with the next one. This is under the box. Under, do you remember that we say that over it's por encima, right? So under will be the opposite and this will mean debajo, right? De. In this case, you have over the box, that means debajo de la caja, right? You can say under the pencil case, under my head, under my hand, under my arm, right? So this will be the meaning of under, debajo de, right? How do you pronounce it? Let's go into listen. Let's go into listen. How do you pronounce it?
Under the box.
Under the box, right? Remember, you have to make like a song with your voice. Under the box, right? It's easy, I think. I think that it's getting easy, but I don't know about you. The next one is through the pipe. In this case, through the pipe. In this case, we have a pipe, but I don't have a pipe here, so I'm going to use my masking tape to explain to you. Through means a través de, right? Through the tape. Through my head, or my head, right? Through my head. Through my hand, right? A través de mi mano. Por ejemplo, les decía a través de mi tape, a través de mi cabeza, ¿verdad? Podemos, bueno, si pudiéramos atravesar mi cabeza, a través de mi cabeza. Or through my hand, a través de mi mano. Also, you can say, my house is through the market. Por ejemplo, mi casa está a través del mercado. O sea, para llegar a mi casa tienes que atravesarte el mercado o pasar en medio del mercado. Also, you can say, the car is through the street. El carro está a través de la calle, ¿verdad? I don't know. Do you have questions about this? We have just 8 and he already have started again. Aquí ya volvimos a empezar. Oh, sorry. But I don't know. Do you have questions? Something that you didn't understand about this vocabulary? I think that this is a really one easy, right? Esta está como que muy fácil. Yo considero que podríamos aprenderlo. So, into, out, over, under, around, up, down, and through. As you can see in this picture that I'm showing you, they are like, ellos están como que and pairs, right? I'm already make it bigger my screen. Ya hice como más grande mi pantalla y me gustaría que lo vieran, right? So we have the first one. This both of two are paired, into and out, right? Dentro y fuera, over and under, arriba y abajo, o encima y debajo. Around and through, estas también pueden ir juntas como en pares. Alrededor y a través, right, como en pares opuestos. Up and down, arriba y abajo, ¿verdad? So, if you don't have questions, let's going to continue and let's going to make an exercise from our platform. Si no hay dudas y no hay preguntas, entonces vamos a hacer un ejercicio, perdón, de nuestra plataforma. I already know that you already have worked on this. Yo sé que ustedes ya han trabajado en esta, that it's going to be easy for you. Y que va a ser fácil para ustedes. So, we have the first one here. You have to complete. Ustedes tienen que completar los ejercicios. It's a read and check. Vamos a trabajar la primera parte de reading. Tenemos un espacio en blanco y dice, Jess is not far from here. No está muy lejos de aquí. What is missing? Excuse me, or is there a post office near here? ¿Qué es lo que está faltante? Discúlpeme, o ¿hay una oficina de correo cerca de aquí? And we have like answer, yes, it's not far from here. Sí, no está muy lejos de aquí. La de abajo dice, abajo. Okay, I'm reading your messages. Excuse me, dice, muy bien. La 2, abajo. Let's going to select this one.